Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure to subscribe, like, and let's get right into the video. I already did all my nail prep and the good stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing some gelx today. I sized out my nail tips, and I believe I bought these, or I guess they came in a set. I think I'm not quite sure. Like when gelx got popular in the beginning, and Beetles came out with their own dupe kit, I guess. And yeah, I think these are from Beetles. I haven't used them in a while. They're just like in the corner, and I wanted to try out some more. I'm kind of getting like into gelx now a little bit more, and I want to get some more tips, like the full cover nail tips. Let me know if you have any recommendation that I can get off of Amazon that are good and sturdy. So yeah, but yeah, let's start. I'm gonna apply a nail dehydrator to my nails. I want these nails to last. And the nail primer. So I looked online, it says it can take up to 3 to 6 months till my nail grows back, which is like a longest time. Like, I'm gonna try to take supplements probably to make my nails grow faster, because I don't want to wait that long. All right, primer and dehydrator are on. Let's get right into the application. I'm gonna be using my nail glue from Beetles as always. I forgot to etch them and already put like on all this stuff. There's like a sticky layer, so I'm just gonna put some acetone inside the nail tip. Actually, I'm just gonna use my primer to etch the nails. The nail tips are etched now. You just want to get like the rough surface onto the nails so they stick better. You can also use acetone to etch your nails, but I didn't feel like getting my acetone out. Now I'm gonna apply some nail glue in the inside of the nail. Leave some excess and apply some on my nail. I'm probably gonna do an overlay method, just because I like when the nail is more sturdy. All right, I'm gonna turn on my gooseneck lamp that you can't see right now, and I'm just gonna press on the nail tip and flash cure, and I'm just gonna be doing the same to the rest of the nails. I did not cut myself on that nail. I keep like hurting myself. All right, and flash cure. I spilled some right here, so I'm just gonna take this thing, whatever the name is, and just scrape off the excess before I'm gonna put it in the nail lamp. All right, I messed up a little bit. Like I was messing with it too much and accidentally cut off the tip, but that's okay. I'm just gonna fill it in with an overlay. Alright, I must say I did a pretty good job at messing them up today. My application is so bad, like, they're all crooked. Like, not all of them, but like, what is this? And this one turned out good. This is usually my nail that's crooked, but I don't know what's going on. But that's okay, I'm gonna be fixing it with some filing. Alright, nails are shaped. Let's start the application. I'm gonna be using builder gel from the Beetles to do the overlay. Since I glued them on a little bit farther from my cuticle area, I need to fill in this spot right here. You can see it better right here. That needs to be filled in, the little gap. And I'm just gonna put a layer of builder gel to all of my nails. just to give the nails some more strength, because full cover nail tips sometimes tend to not have enough strength, or at least not what I like. I don't like when you can bend the nail tip down. You know, when you do like this and it bends down. These are pretty sturdy, but I still feel like since they're so long, I want to give them some more strength, especially after hurting my pinky nail. I don't want to risk hurting another nail as well. Alright, once I have a layer on, I'm gonna be curing in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, one layer is on. Now, I'm gonna take a little bit more builder gel and put it just towards the cuticle area. And I'm just gonna drag some down. It doesn't like need any structure or so, because this nail tip has already a perfect like apex, so it's all good. The end is nice and crisp, that's what we want. Okay, and cure. All right, all the builder gel is on. Now I'm gonna give it a light shaping and filing. Alright, the nails have been shaped, filed, and buffed, and I must say, I really like the nail form. Like, the shape of the gelx is really nice. Anyways, let's get into the design. I'm gonna be doing like a really simple design today. I'm just gonna apply some colors and put a matte top coat over it. And yeah, I don't feel like doing much design because I have been doing designs and charms and stuff lately a lot. And I just want to, you know, just do something simple for once. I think it's still really cute having a simple design. Nothing wrong with it. Doesn't have to be always extra. Alright, and I'm gonna be finishing up with a matte top coat. Right now I'm gonna go in with some cuticle oil. And here are the finished nails. I still can't get over how weird this looks when it's not 5 nails. Can't wait till my nail grows back. I had a lot of fun doing these. I love the shape of these. I should get some more beetles full cover nail tips and test them out. But yeah, like I mentioned earlier, the nail design is nothing special. It's just some simple nails, but still really cute for summer. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.